पूरी दुनिया में स्वयं रोजगार की कल्पना अब बदल रही है और रोजगार की भी कल्पना बदल रही है। अब सिर्फ सरकारी नौकरियां और कारखाने में ही रोजगार उत्पन्न नहीं होता है। जॉब सीकर आज जॉब क्रिएटर बन गया है। India has become the second largest hub of startups. We are proud of the hard work and innovative ideas of our youth. In order to take the benefits of artificial intelligence and related technologies to the people, a national program on artificial intelligence has been envisaged by our government. This would be catalyzed by the establishment of the National Center on Artificial Intelligence as a hub along with centers of excellence. 9 priority areas have been identified. A national artificial intelligence portal will be developed soon. Empowering MSMEs and traders. सरकार ने करोड़ों को रोजगार देने वाले MSME सेक्टर को सशक्त करने के लिए कई प्रभावी कदम उठाए हैं। हाल ही में सिर्फ 59 मिनट्स में 1 करोड़ तक के ऋण की योजना शुरू की गई। जीएसटी रजिस्टर्ड एसएमई इकाइयों को 1 करोड़ के इंक्रीमेंटल लोन पर अब 2% ब्याज की छूट मिलेगी। सरकारी उपक्रमों में एसएमई से सोर्सिंग की आवश्यकता को बढ़ाकर 25% कर दिया गया है। Out of this, the material to the extent of at least 3% will be sourced from women-owned SMEs. Government e-marketplace, GEM, created by our government 2 years ago, has transformed public procurement by making it fully transparent, inclusive, and efficient. MSMEs have an opportunity to sell their products through GEM. Transactions of over 17,500 crore rupees have already taken place, resulting in an average saving of 25 to 28% when purchased from GEM. The GEM platform is now being extended to all central public sector enterprises. We have focused on supporting domestic trade and services. Our government has recently assigned the subject of promotion of internal trade, including retail trading and welfare of traders and their employees, to the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, which will now be renamed as the Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade.